Hi everyone, this is INE Foundation Lab 2, section 5.2 BGP. Okay, let's review our topology. This is our topology. Okay, in previous section, I have conquered BGP Confederation, Route Reflector, and BGP P templates and P groups. Let's explain what I did in previous section. Okay, I have conquered BGP Confederation. Let's explain. This is that. Okay, we have conquered parent areas as areas 5555, and these are our sub areas. BGP areas 65,100, 65,200, and 65,300 are our sub areas for our computation. And between R4 and R6, we have conquered BGP computation peers. It means we have conquered peers by this command, BGP computation P remote number. And all other devices and these devices will also have conquered this command. This is for computation parent areas. This is for parent areas configuration. BGP configuration identifier and our parent areas. All our devices all have this command, and on R4, R6, R3, and R5 all have this command either, BGP configuration P. This is for this is like EBGP connectivity. And for IBGP configuration, I've configured R3 as route reflector and R9 as route reflector client and R10 as route reflector client. And this areas we have configured R4 as route reflector and switch 2, switch 1, and R2 as route reflector client. And for BGP and for reduce our BGP configuration, we have configured BGP P templates on R4 and BGP P group on R3. This was our previous section configuration. Okay, there is one. I have faced one issue for our non-loop path. There was loop for this. Let's see. I was facing loop for loop back of R9. Now I fixed this loop. Let me explain what I did. Now if I ping 9999 and if I do show IP route 9999, RT is seeing this via RIP. And if I do on R5 show IP route, it is via OSPF. Show down. Okay, I have fixed the loop of loopback 0 of R9 by this command. Distance for SPF external 250. Okay, this command will make our external route of OSPF will change distance of external route of OSPF to 250. If I do show IP OSPF database and on all of these are external route for SPF and R9 is here. This is, and if I check this 6 either it will change to show IP route, and this is distance 250. And if I do show IP BGP summary, we have connectivity and without any issue. RTs are route reflector, and 10 and 9 is our route reflector client. This is the EBGP. Okay, now let's configure this section. Configure R1 in AS100, R8 in AS800, switch 3 in AS300, and switch 4 in AS400. We have to configure BGP. This is our EBGP. It is like this. If I change configure this, we have R1 in AS100, then we have BGP Confederation parenthesis, and it is switch 1 in AS65 100. This is EBGP Connectivity. We have to configure EBGP on R1, and I have to use 5555 as our remote AS number, not 65100. If I want to configure BGP on R1, I have to use 5555 as remote AS number. Okay. This. We have to go for EBGP. Okay, configure peering according to the table below. This is our local and remote AS. This is our remote AS. I explained before. This is our parent AS number, and this is our EBGP connectivity. Use the directly connected interface to form these pairings. It is directly connected interfaces. It means we don't have to use update source. No update source. And because we are not using update source, then we don't have to configure EBGP multi-hop. No update source, no EBGP multi-hop. Just physical IP address of our neighbor. Okay, AS 100, 300, 400, and 800 should see AS 65100, 65200, and 65300 as single AS. Okay, We have achieved this by Confederation. We will verify this later. And advertise loopback 0 of R1, 8, switch 3 and switch 4 into BGP using network command. Okay, we can advertise our network into BGP in three ways. One is by network, the other one is by distribute, and the other one is aggregate address command. Aggregate address. Let me explain this. There is one path selection. In path selection, we have origin code. We have three types of origin code. One is I, the other one is E, and third one is question mark. I means this is originated or advertised. This is originated using network or aggregate address command. If we do network or aggregate address, we will see I in show IP BGP. E is latency and it's not working. It's not using anymore. We will not see E anymore nowadays. And question mark means we have used the distribute command. This is for distribute BGP. And it appears question mark in BGP table. Show IP BGP. Okay, we have to advertise network into BGP by network command here. Network command. And at the end, R1, 8, switch 3 and switch 4 should able reach other loopback. Okay, and then we will verify this by ping of these loopbacks. Okay, let's configure. So I will start by R1. Let's open R1. Show IP protocol. There is no routing protocol. Let's config T. Go to BGP. This is AS100. I will make this BGP MPBGP. No BGP default. IPv4 unicast. BGP. This is. Let's open switch 1. Show IP interface brief. Okay, I open this one. I don't want to come. I have to come R1 switch 1. Then here are 6 and R8. Over here I have to come with switch 3 and R9. And over here I have to come with R10 and switch 4. Yes, oops. Enable show IP interface brief. Showdown 5 selection with the BGP and config T. Okay, I have one R1 on switch 1 here. On switch 1. Okay. Well, switch 1. I'll remove IP address is switch 1 interface VLAN 121. This is this address. one, it become neighbor. This one, remote S. Okay, because switch 1 has BGP content identifier, the remote S should be this parent S number. And on the address family IPv4, I have to activate neighbor, activate. Let's configure switch 1 either. I have this sub AS, then I have neighbor, and remote. This is, let's see this. Could do show interface page. Choose this IP address. Neighbor remote address is 100, and on the address family IPv4, I have to activate this neighbor, this one, and activate. Okay, our neighbor is up. Let's configure 8 and why don't we switch 4? I already have R9, 5, okay, 8 and 6. To the BGP 800, it is, yes. No BGP IPv4, no BGP default IPv4 unicast. The neighbor, this is our neighbor. This IP address is 68. Switch R8 neighbor. Limit AS is, I have combination identifier 5555, and on the address family IPv4, I have to activate this neighbor. Let's do the same on here. The other BGP. Neighbor on 8. Do show IP interface brief. Neighbor is this one. Limit AS is 800, and address formula IPv4 I have to activate. Okay, let's go to switch 3. Go to BGP 300. No BGP default IPv4 unicast. Neighbor R9 is this one. Unit AS is 5555. Let's check. We have BGP Confederation identifier. Add this family IPv4 on neighbor. This one activate. So we have to on R9. Go to BGP this one. Neighbor. And switch 3. I have this interface build on to 39. Limit AS 300. Add this formula IPv4 and this neighbor activate. Now 10 and switch 4. Let's check this up. Okay, now let's go on 10. Do the BGP. No, switch 4. Do the BGP 400. No BGP default. IPv4 unicast. Neighbor 9, 10. Our neighbor is 1 to 4. This one. Unit AS is 5555. On 10 we have identifier 555. Add this one with IPv4 unicast and neighbor activate. On 10 Route BGP this one. Neighbor switch 4. This one. Limit AS 400. Add this family IPv4 and maybe activate command. Okay, this I have done this part and this part, and let's verify our third part. This ASS 100, 300, 400 and 800 should see AS this ASS as single AS. This let's verify this is, and show IP BGP summary. Switch 4, it's 5 R1 5555. The other one is switch 3, this is correct, and third is 8, and this is correct. Okay. Advertiser loopback. Let's advertiser loopback on our R1 8 switch 3 switch 4 into BGP network. Okay, on R1, let's go this config T BGP 100. Okay, because it is MPBGP, the network command is on the address family. Address family IPv. I don't have network in the BGP network, no network. I have to go on the address family IPv4, v4, and network is here. Network. Okay, if you want to advertise network into BGP, you have to use the same exact mask for that route or network. Let's do show IP route 1111. It is 32-bit subnet mask. I have to use exact mask for this route. Okay, network 1111 mask 255 255 255 255. Do show IP BGP. Okay, the next hop is 0000. It means it is originated in locally originated for that route. This is valid and best. There is no path. I is on the path, no path. Weight is this one 3268 and so on. No path, and this is next hop 00. It is meaning to locally originated route. And let's go on R8. Route BGP 800 network. Oops, address family IPv4 network 8888 and mask is 255 255 255 and 255 Wi-Fi. To show IP BGP. Okay, I have two routes. One is this one is locally originated, no path, and 00 are next up, and the other one is 111. I have just advertised into R1. The next up is 156.168.6. Okay, let's check if there is connectivity for this next app before I do ping, and this is reachable. Okay, in some scenarios or in our real life, if there is issue in loop next app, you can fix this by this BGP next app attribute. But if you are IBGP, do not change next app. Then we have to use next app on boundary routers for EBGP. Here, let's see. Here, our boundary routers are. This is EBGP. Series 1 is our boundary router. Over here, R6. So our boundary router. This is EBGP Connectivity. Let me put this in. And over here R10 is our boundary order, and over here R9 is our boundary order. Okay, this is this one, and let's go on switch 1 or 2, switch 3. Load the BGP 300, add this family IPv4, and I have to active and advertise this network. Let's see what is this new pack. It was 23. This 23, and mask is 255, 255, 255, and 255. Let's do show IP BGP. Okay, we have three. One is locally originated. It is locally originated, no path. The other ones are from R1. Okay, if I notice this is from 100. It is originated in 100, and this parentheses are transit route. This is our transit path. And 0, same as 0. It's coming from 800. It is originated in 800, and this is our transit path. Ping. Okay, I have picture it. Yes, and last one is switch 4. To the BGP, switch 4 is 100. Add this one in IPv4, and network 24, and mask is 32 bit mask, and we show IPBGP. We have three path, and one is locally originated. Okay, and last part, we have to verify connectivity. Okay, on R1, this is R1, R8. Okay, let's check show IPBGP. I have to create this TCLS, this TCLS 1.8. This is our loop back of our route. TCLS umpire this one, and ping. Okay, it is working, and oh yeah, connectivity. Okay, let's check on our one. Let's see. Payoff. And ping interface. This is the same as this ping. This is ping interface. Okay, we have connectivity for these loopbacks. Switch 3. Okay, let's ping manually. Ping 1 1. Oops. Ping 1 1 1 1. Ping 20 accept. Ping 8 and ping 24. So working, and this is it. And ping 1, ping 23, and ping 8. It's okay, it is work. Okay, let's check our BGP Confederation. Please, in Confederation we have there is new attribute called confed AS confed set. This is new attribute for BGP Confederation. We have confed internal and confed external. Okay, let's check. Okay, on R2 I will check loopback about one. It should be confed internal. Let's check on R2. Okay, show IP BGP 2 2 2 and 2. No, it's not 2. Okay, it's not BGP. Oh, for that too. Show IP BGP 21. That is the loopback of the switch one. The 21. So IP BGP. Let's okay. This is I didn't advertise this into BGP. I didn't have a 21 into BGP. I have only this one. Okay, let's check show IP BGP. show IP BGP 111. Okay, it is config internal. Hit paste. This is our cluster. Okay, this is config internal. Let's check on our 4 switch 4. Show IP BGP. So BGP this one. Show IP BGP. And this is config external. So config external and show IP BGP 1111. It is config internal for 111 and show IP BGP 23. This is config external for this one, and for 8 it should be config external either. Show IP BGP 888 and 8. This is config external. And for this one it is config internal. This is our next apps are not changing here. If I check next app are not changing. Okay, I hope you have enjoyed this video and thank you for viewing.